Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create these beautiful glass slipper nails. These are clear, these are sparkly, they're rhinestone encrusted, and they were very fun to create. Now, I was inspired to create this set by one of my subscribers, Habiba. She had asked me to create a wedding or a bridal set in the color red, but when I think brides, I think clear, I think white, I think sparkly. However, I know in different cultures, different wedding gowns, different colors are very popular. So I will be doing that in a future video for you. But I was inspired also to create these clear nails by this bag. And this is my Cinderella bag. But what inspired me was the glass crystal ornament that I have as a dangly accent to this bag. And of course, your wedding day, you want to be a princess, you want to be a queen. And so these nails are perfect. If you want to learn how to make this, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so we are going to be using these clear nails to achieve this look. I'm going to be designing one for you. I kept them similar so that you can follow this tutorial rather easily. I am going to be leaving the middle nails as is. I previously showcased these in a different nail tutorial, but basically it's a white base nail with gel, and then I added these large clear crystals, and for the rest of them I used AB crystals, and I'll show you how to achieve that. The first thing you want to do is file the tip so that you don't have any kind of plastic sticking out. You can do these nails with just regular nail polish as well. I do suggest using gel because it hardens them and your designs and crystals last a lot longer, but it's entirely up to you. You're going to be grabbing the nail and propping it on your, in this case, pencil, because this is the way that I do it, with tape. Make sure your hands are clean of any oils. You will be applying gel directly on top. We will be needing our gummy jelly, our shiny top coat. We're going to be needing some crystal ABs here, and these are about 16 millimeters, I want to say. We're also going to be using these teardrop AB crystals. I will also be using this chrome shimmer. For this project, I use the cap of a pen. I will also be using these round glitters, and this is in a silver AB as well. These are larger in size than your average glitter flakes, and I'll be having everything listed down below for you. The first step is to add Shine E to the top of the nail. Add a generous coat, but make sure it doesn't drip alongside. Make sure you get the free edge and then the side walls as well. If you're using the pencil method, make sure that you wipe off any excess drip. Now you're going to be dusting the chrome over the nail, and you're going to do it sporadically because you want to definitely see the clear nail underneath. So what happens with this is it disperses the moment you put it over the gel. And then you're going to dust the excess. And this is essentially what you want it to look like. See it on the black background. Now we're going to be adding the glitter specks throughout. If you see any sticking out, just push them back in. If you see any overlapping, just separate them. Set your LED or UV light. UV about 3 to 4 minutes. LED light will be about 1 or 2. You could pretty much use any color that you want for this design, but I thought that these glitters are gorgeous, but I thought that the clear with the crystal AB is just stunning. You can see right through the nail. It just looks like glass, and they are just gorgeous. This is the same chrome that I used to make this nail shimmer. It's a white base and then it looks shimmery underneath, and that's basically what I used to rub on top of it. Okay guys, so this is the nail and it is fully cured, and you can leave it as is. You can see it is sparkly. Well, you can't really see the detail, but hopefully you can. You could see the iridescent glitter, you could see the shimmery sparkles, and you can leave it as is. You don't have to do any 3D embellishing. And all you have to do is cover it with the top coat of Shine E and put it to cure, and then the nail is done. It would look beautiful as is, or we can continue with 3D. For this part, you're going to need your gummy jelly, your Shine E top coat, your katana, and your rhinestones. You're going to be taking the gummy jelly, placing it down the middle, keeping in mind how big the stones are going to be when placing. You don't want to put too much gel. So when putting the Shine E, you're going to put it all over the nail. You're also going to put it right over the gummy jelly area. Otherwise, it will not cure properly. I'll be applying the Crystal AB teardrop. Make sure it's fully symmetrical and cure for about 2 to 3 minutes in a UV lamp, 1 minute in an LED. So in between the curing process, I do take it out and I place some Shine E, this one here, right on the bottom part or the underside of the nail. And it just makes it that much more shiny. Okay guys, so this nail is fully cured, and I do want to give you some advice when using your lamp. I have a UV lamp, and the reason I use UV lamp, although it takes longer than an LED, is because it's such a substantial size and I can cure a bunch of nails at once. And the method I use with the pencils is because I like to set, when I do my high 3D, a pencil down and the one I'm using on top, and then I tilt it to every side. So I cure the front for about a minute, cure the side, cure the other side, and if I put top coat underneath, I cure it on the back side as well. So I don't take off the nail and just prop it in the lamp, because it's all mirrored. It can get hot and you can distort the shape of this nail, and I don't want to compromise that. So this method for me has always worked. It's tried and true, and I'll probably never change it. And so let me just show you the nail up close, and you can see that it just sparkles. The holographic glitters with the shimmers just really look beautiful, and this chrome shimmer really does the nail justice because it's fine enough to sparkle but not leave mounds on top of the nail. So it's still a flat bed of a nail, and you don't have to worry about, like, if you used glitter, it would leave globs of it and then it'd kind of be bumpy. This is so fine and it disperses so nicely when you put it over the gel that it just lies flat on the nail. So when you cure it, it just looks so perfect and so shiny. Okay guys, so that's the end of my glass slipper nails. I hope that you all enjoyed it. I will be doing a few more bridal nails for you all to get ideas and get inspired. If you like this video, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up or pop a comment below, or do both. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.